Hi everyone, welcome back to Zairas world. Today we are going to make a little treat for my dearest friends. Do you know what it is? It's a creamy dessert. You just need 3 ingredients again. Now let me tell you the ingredients. We need fresh cream, powdered sugar. Then either you can use strawberry or mango. I just love mangoes, so I'm using mango. Let's start. Let's put the fresh cream first. Okay. Fresh cream. Now we need a powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons. Mix. Be careful that you don't put it down, okay? Let's put it to the serving bowl. Put it to the serving bowl. Okay, we moved it. Now let's put our favorite fruit. My favorite fruit, mango. After we put the mango, the strawberries, we need to mix it a little. So we again put some. I'm putting in lots of mango, so it will be so tasty. I want to put it in the fridge before I eat it for just 5 minutes, so it becomes cool and yummy. Now our creamy dessert is ready. It's time for tasting. Where's my taster? Say hi. Not to me, to them. Okay, you want to taste it. Come. Tasty? Did you love it? Yeah. So let me try it. Just so good. So everybody, please try this recipe.